Hi everyone, it's Spa Guy Dave in Pennsauken, New Jersey, back again with another beautiful pre-owned hot tub. This a little bit smaller than some of the big ones we've had lately, but some of you out there are looking for something a little bit smaller and maybe a little bit smaller price tag too. So here's an entire spa package with a delivery and warranty for just $2,900. This is a premium leisure go spa. And it's a beautiful sterling silver with a black cabinet, beautiful black spa cover, black steps to accent. And they call it a 5-seater, but we're going to call it a 4-adult comfortable. It actually has a lounger and 4 bucket seats, okay? This one being a little bit smaller, so we'll call it kind of a kid's seat if you want to do that. And the tub, like I said, a little bit smaller mid-size. It's 6 foot wide by 7 long. So the 7's pretty normal, but a little narrower, 6 foot wide. So a little smaller footprint, but it doesn't lack, right? It's still a great tub with, look, a lot of jets, foot jets, under the calf, under the knees, lower back, mid back, shoulder jets in the lounger. Nice section to lock your feet in so you're not floating. Your legs get locked in with the wall. Same thing with your butt. You get down and it comes down low, so it really holds you a great bucket seat over here with jets, another one loaded, and of course that big, that last bucket seat there. So you have 30 total jets here being powered by a big 56-inch frame 4 bhp pump. The pump and the heater have been replaced in the past year, so you're essentially new on the pump and heater. So the two major components that run all the time have been replaced, which is great. Of course, a new filter, new cover, new steps, great looking tub, new pillows also, brand new headrests on this thing. So let's give it a whirl here. Let's try it out. Let's turn on Jets 1. This is low speed, so if you just want to relax and not have a big powerful massage, but still have that soothing massage, you're going to get it here. Now, turn on the next one. Look at it. Here we go. Low and high. So there we go. So now you've got all the jets on full blast right now. A lot of pressure, guys. Plenty of pressure. We're just topping out there. Same thing with the lounger. They really did a great job of putting a big pump on this tub. Even though it's a tad smaller, they didn't rob the horsepower. They definitely made it nice and strong. It's a great little package for a terrific number. Sterling silver marble, black habit, just a good-looking, fun, durable, American-made spa package with a warranty, with chemicals, with local delivery, backyard delivery, everything. The entire package, just $2,900. So we've had some folks asking if we can get something in under $3,000. Well, here we go. So don't miss out on this one. You could be in hot water this weekend in this premium leisure go spa. Hope you liked the video. If you do, please click like and subscribe to my Spa Guy Dave YouTube channel. So thanks for watching. This is Spa Guy Dave.